Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. It is now 2023, guys, and the first thing we're gonna be doing is sending off the daily. So if you guys remember, it has a lot of clear coat failure there and there. So we are sending it off to get wrapped. We're changing the color. Paint is a little too expensive, so I'm not gonna be doing that. But on the bright side, I get to drive this little thing. So I just got some mail. We can open it up together. I wonder if it's a car part. Oh, what do you know? Perfect timing for the video, I guess. So if you guys didn't know, I'm not a huge fan of the chrome just because I chrome deleted everything on my car. So I got this, and it's real carbon fiber. It's just an overlay. Let's see how that looks. Oh, that looks a lot better. I'm actually down for this look. We can rock this for a little bit and see how I like it, but wow, it looks pretty good. All right, guys, what do you think? Pretty solid. Doesn't look too bad. We'll rock it for a bit, see how I like it. If not, I can always take it off and paint match it. Looking very good, very sleek. Absolutely love it. Basically, first mod of 2023. Nice. I don't know if I told you guys, but my parents also just got their Model Y delivered. Just another white Tesla on the road. Maybe we could do stuff to their car. My dad already told me he wanted me to do one thing for him, so we'll probably do that when they're on vacation. They're going to Vietnam, so I get to drive this around if I want. So I can't wait to get this back and drive it around. It is basically getting sent over to Autoworks So-Cal, my buddy Alex with the wide body 3IS, and he is going to wrap this for me. Hopefully it only takes him about a week or less. He told me most likely 3 to 4 days if he hammers it out, which is perfectly fine. I don't want him to rush. I want him to take his time on it. I do feel bad because he's gonna have to sand this, he's gonna have to sand that, he's gonna have to take off like bird poop and tree sap from over the years. There's like little damage here and there. Yeah, he's gonna have to fix that for me. I'm sorry, Alex. Hopefully you love me. And Alex has been killing it for the last few years. I remember when he first did my air suspension trunk setup, was making splitters in his own front yard. Now he has a full-on business and has been killing it for the last few years. Wraps, splitters, everything you need. I didn't think he was ever gonna wrap cars, and now he's doing it on my new car, so that's kind of cool. If you want something in life, just go for it. Nothing happens overnight. Alex, if you're hiring, let your boy know. I'm gonna do the shittiest work ever. All right, Hoopty, I will see you in a week. Thank you, guys.
Like, you see how that one has plays. What side is it? Passenger side? Yeah.
My grandpa's car. Please come out. Come.
Sheesh. You gotta leave a message for Jason.
Ain't nobody fucking with me. First degree, you can get your degree, motherfucker. Yes, sir.
All right, guys, today's finally the day I'm gonna go pick up my car. I have not seen it in about a week, and Alex has been done with it for a while. Actually, it's just been raining, so there's no point in me picking it up. Apparently you need to let wrap cure in the sun for like a day or two. Check this out, we're in the Tesla today. I love electric cars, but I probably wouldn't want to buy one of these. Definitely nice though. I just missed my little ES. I cannot wait to see it. The color is so amazing. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Look at what we got here. A bunch of Lexuses. Have not seen Alex's car in a minute. We got the homie Gio's car. I finally get to see this Millennium Jade Green in person. Sheesh. The VSKFs? Guys, these are for sale, by the way. Hit them up if you want to buy them. Damn, this thing looks nice in person. Woo!
He said you didn't bring me any toys.
Hello.
I love you. Was it fun working on my car?
No. Never again.
I'm so sorry. Can I eat them? Before I show you guys a wrap, I want to install the steering wheel, and I thought maybe Alex could help me, but I'm gonna probably do it. So I got this, and I'm gonna just do it here because why not? And then I get to drive it home. All right, here it is. That is right, we wrapped it.
Oh!
But it has like some flake in it. I don't know if you guys can really see it on camera, but yeah, we made it.
Oh!
And we got chrome door handles.
It's the wrong one, bro.
Not too bad. Alex also did me a solid and wrapped the roof before it was like tan. He also spray painted all of this. So everything is,
Oh!
I think it looks a lot better. So I thought we could take this off and install a new steering wheel. Because why not? Alright, so we got that much off. I'm gonna try to put this on. The wheels are pretty straight, so
You're gonna need alignment anyway.
we're gonna put this on and then slap on a wheel. Never done this before, so hopefully it comes out really good. Oh, Alexis, thank you for wrapping it for me.
Do not touch my wing.
Put some strength behind that. Fucking weak ass.
What's this for? What is this?
I thought you knew how to do it.
Oh.
Is this your friend?
That's your friend. Any closer, Jason? You wanna go closer? Oh, there you go. Any closer? Oh, yeah? Looks great.
Can you look at it before you ask me questions? That's not a plug right there, that's a zip tie.
Now why can't we cut it? I don't know how to go about this. Yeah, but it seemed like it was going in like not straight. Like, it was all like still.
Oh, there you go. I'm pretty sure me and Gio can install bags faster than you install a steering wheel.
Hey, but I can actually help installing bags because I got it.
Yeah, what do you help do? Unbox everything?
I'll break all the bolts for you, bro.
Sorry.
Bye, Alex. Thank you.
Bye.
I love you. Alright guys, so it got dark way too fast yesterday and we're installing the steering wheel. Didn't get to show you guys the car in all its glory, so here's a montage, check it out. So that is the color, guys. Like you guys saw at the shop, it is black. There's not a lot of sunlight out to show you the little flakes in it. It's kind of really hard to see, but there's like gold flake. That's why when the sun reflects off of it, it comes off like as a warm hue, I guess. But yeah, that is pretty much the wrap color. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I'm pretty much going for a black and chrome theme. Pretty sure you guys can tell, black and chrome. The best part is Alex also wrapped these chrome just for me. I told him last minute, he ordered it, wrapped it, so it goes really well with the chrome trim. Yeah, you guys might be able to see here. You see how like there's not that much sun out? It's like really gloomy, but when the sun hits it right here, it gives off this like kind of gold warm tone, I want to say. That's because of the flake. So the headliner was actually tan. This whole thing was tan. I don't know why, because the whole theme for this interior is black and gray from factory. They made all this tan. So I asked Alex last minute if he could wrap this for me, and he wrapped it with suede, painted all the little pieces like the oh shit handle and everything, and it looks amazing. I don't know if you guys can really see it. And it matches our new addition, this NRG suede Alcantara steering wheel. Alex wrapped this chrome for me. This is temporary. I'm gonna get a different button. I absolutely love it. The theme is great, and this is like the most comfortable daily ever, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also have wheels coming about next week for this car. Leave a comment down below, what wheels do you guys think I went with? I don't plan on lowering the car, so I got wheels that might be flush enough and look okay with this stock height, because at the end of the day I still want to drive this car anywhere and everywhere and not have to worry about getting into driveways and everything like that. Yeah, here's one last look at the car. It is now black and I absolutely love it. And that is pretty much going to be it for today's video. Huge shout out to Alex. Thank you again for wrapping my car and taking care of me. If you guys need any work done, hit up Autoworks So-Cal. He can wrap cars, he can do anything that you guys need. He might even be able to wide body your car. But with that being said, I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, I absolutely love this thing. I just can't get away from black. Black just looks good with every single car. Oh, later.